In this video, I'll show you how to disable PowerShell startup message in the terminal. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. This is called the startup banner, and if you want a cleaner, more minimalist terminal, you can easily disable it in Windows Terminal. First, on your desktop, click on the Start menu and search for Terminal and open it. Click this arrow here and select Settings from this drop-down menu. Once the Settings tab opens, look to the left-hand sidebar and select Windows PowerShell. Find the setting labeled Command Line and expand it. This is the field we need to change. By default, it will contain PowerShell path. All you need to do is add this simple flag at the end. This flag tells PowerShell to launch without printing that initial banner. Now go to the bottom right corner and click the Save button to apply the change. Close the terminal and open it again. Now the banner's gone.